Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Mitsubishi Pajero GLXR, stock reference number 5392. This shape runs from the 9th month 2008 through to the 8th month 2014. It has a 4M41 3.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. 4M41 3.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right hand headlight, opposite lock steel bull bar with Lightforce spotlights, all bolts and brackets, right hand headlight, right guarder piece to have no damage, set of aftermarket 17-inch ROH alloy mags with good tyres, left rear 17-inch alloy ROH mag with a good tyre, left hand tail light, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom, spare wheel cover, does have some scratches, sold complete, right rear 17-inch ROH alloy mag with a good tyre, right power door mirror, and a right front 17-inch ROH alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heated controls, 6-stack CD player, display screen, left sun visor, and the instrument cluster.